Hi everyone! So in today's class, we have another Quickie yoga session and we are going to do quality quads. So have fun! So we'll start in a tabletop position, okay? And then we'll just start to shift forward and back. Okay? Now as you shift forward, maybe gently pressing the hips down. And then see how the quads feel at this point. Okay, maybe just pressing the hips down a little bit further. Finding the stretch. You might feel this more at the front of the hips, but also getting into the quads. Okay, one more breath here. And then as you exhale, we'll slowly release. Okay, from here, we'll tuck the toes. And then we'll press up, downward facing dog. Any movement in this down dog that feels good for you, maybe swinging the hips from side to side. Okay, from here we'll come back to center, and then from here we'll step the right foot forward, and then we'll lower down the left knee. Okay, and then from here, okay, you can shift your left knee back about 2 to 3 inches. Left palm grounds down, and then as you exhale, you'll start to turn towards the right side. Back knee will bend as you hold on to the left foot. And then you can start out this high. See how the quads here feel. Okay. And then think about your hips shifting forward and down. Okay. And then maybe you stay this high. Maybe you just gently move the back leg side to side. And then breathe. If it's accessible for you, you can come down to the left forearm. Okay. Even though we're focusing on the quads for this session, think about the chest as well, rolling towards the right and then letting the right shoulder roll back. Okay. Then as you press the hips forward and down, again, if moving the leg side to side feels good for the quads, maybe taking that option. One more breath here. And then from here, we'll slowly release the back foot. Okay, come back up. Okay, step back to a tabletop. And then as you exhale, downward facing dog. You can choose to be still in down dog or maybe taking small movements again. That's needed in your body at the moment. One more breath. Now take it on the other side. Step the left foot forward as you lower down that right knee. Okay, so adjusting the stance if needed, inhale. Okay, moving that right knee back a few inches. Exhale, turning towards the left. Okay, bending that back knee as you grab hold. Okay, so adjust if you need to widen the stance. Okay, and then holding steady here. Maybe gently swinging the leg side to side. Breathing here. Okay. As the hips shift forward and down. Okay, maybe coming down to that right forearm. And then as we release the quads here, let's add that twist. And then let's add opening the left shoulder. Okay, deepening the breath. One more cycle. And then as you exhale, we'll slowly release. We'll come back to tabletop. Okay, we'll tuck the toes. And then from here, downward facing dog. Then a few cycles of breath. You may be bending the knees about 20% as you reach the butt back. One more breath in. And then from here, looking in between the hands. So step one foot forward, followed by the other foot. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, we'll fold. Inhale, reach the arms all the way up. Exhale, hands back by the sides. Okay, so working more on the quads, we'll bend the knees, reach the arms up for chair pose. Okay, although in chair you might feel a lot other parts working more. Maybe you might feel the butt engage, you'll feel the hamstrings. We'll think about the quads, shift your butt back, maybe lifting the toes up, inhale. Hold steady here as the hands reach up. From here, we'll bring the hands together in front of the heart. Okay, we'll balance on the left leg. So shift your weight onto the left foot. Still staying in this chair pose. We'll hinge forward. And then we'll let our right foot, our right heel be light. Maybe let the right toes lift up as you slowly slide back. Okay, maybe finding a high lunge for a moment. Inhale, lifting the chest up. And then as you exhale, you'll hinge forward again. We'll press up to warrior 3. Hold steady here and breathe. Okay, reach that back foot back. And then find that sense of the crown of the head reaching forward. One more cycle. Still working on that balancing leg. Okay. From here, we'll slowly come up, but we'll only let the right foot hover. Let it pass through, bending at that right knee, lifting the knee up towards the chest. Hold steady here, inhale. As you exhale, we'll start to kick that right leg forward. Hold. Notice a lot of the effort at the quads. One more breath. From here, we'll bend. We'll lean forward again as you kick that right foot back. Hold steady here, inhale. One more set. As you exhale, we'll come forward, bend that right knee, lifting that right knee up. And then when you're ready, kick that right heel forward. Find a sense of the heel reaching forward this time as the crown of the head reaches up. One more breath. And then from here, we'll rebend that right knee. And then this time, we'll land back into chair. And then from here, we'll do this on the other side. Okay. So from chair pose again, we'll reach the arms up. Hold steady here for your breath. Okay, imagine you're hugging a ball or a block in between the thighs. And then this time, we'll balance on the right leg. So shift the weight onto the right foot, hands in front of the heart. And then from here, let your left heel be light. Maybe let the toes slightly lift. And then we'll slowly slide back as you hinge forward, land back into a high lunge. Okay, adjust the stance if needed. Inhale. And then as you exhale, we'll hinge forward again. And then we'll slowly press up to warrior 3. So again, find that sense of the back foot reaching behind as the crown of the head reaches forward. Let your left hip roll down. And then from here, we'll slowly come up, bending that left knee, lifting it up towards the chest. Inhale. As you exhale, maybe kick that left heel forward. Hold here for a cycle. Notice pressing that leg. One more breath. From here, we'll rebend that left knee. We'll tilt forward as we kick back, balancing again in warrior 3. One more cycle. And then from here, we'll slowly come up again. Okay, keep breathing, working on that standing leg. Inhale. Exhale, kicking that left foot forward. Breathe here. Notice how the quads are feeling here. And then from here, we'll rebend that left knee. We'll land back down, but we'll bend the knees. Hold here for another breath. Arms reach up. And then as you exhale, we'll stand up, hands in front of the heart. Maybe give the legs a shake. And then bring the hands together. Namaste. So I hope you enjoyed that short session. Know that you can do it several times if you want to work on building strength or flexibility in your quads. And know that also working on balance is working other parts of your body. So I would like to thank you for watching. This is Every Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.